Hello guys, welcome back to Son of Thins. But for today's video, here going to show you how to fix hair Dishwasher F30 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're getting the F30 error code here on a hair dishwasher, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could do here. But first, what does it actually means? Now, if there's a drainage failure, which usually points to a problem with how the water is exiting the machine, this can be caused by a few things like a software glitch, a leak, or a clog or malfunctioning drainage system. Now, to fix this, you want to start by resetting the dishwasher. Now, you want to turn it off, unplug it from the power source, and wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and switch it on to see if the error clears out. Now, if the code is still showing, the next step here is you want to check for visible leaks. Now, you want to unplug your dishwasher again and inspect the inlet and drain hose to ensure they're securely connected and not leaking, or in this case, there's no any leakage here. Also, check all water holding components inside the dishwasher for any signs of damage or moisture. Now, if everything looks fine here but the error persists, you want to move on to the drainage system. Now, you want to go ahead and just disconnect your drain hose here and look for any clogs, debris, food particles, or even build up detergent that can block the flow. Now, run clean water through the hose or to flush out anything stuck. Also, inspect the hose for kinks or bends that might be stopping the water from flowing freely and straighten them out. And lastly, check the drain pump here itself to remove any standing water, or in this case, clean out any gunk, detergent buildup, or a blockage inside. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.